Hello friends, this is a tutorial, a quick way to make a pattern for women's culottes, which we share with you, and let me introduce myself. My name is Guy.
Dan saya Ardi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ini tutorial, cara cepat membuat pola celana kulot wanita, yang kami bagikan untuk Anda.
Please watch the video until the end, so that it will provide additional knowledge for you, especially for those of you who are still learning about making clothing patterns. I hope this is useful.
Silahkan simak videonya sampai selesai, agar menjadi tambahan ilmu untuk Anda, terutama bagi Anda yang masih tahap belajar tentang membuat pola busana. Semoga ini bermanfaat.
And to friends who haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like and give positive comments. Okay friends, let's get started.
Ya, kita mulai saja.
We first prepare the equipment, namely, among other things, pattern paper. Here I use 150-gram brief card paper, with a size of 61 by 86 centimeters, and I use 2 sheets combined into one by connecting them using duct tape. Then we prepare a ruler, like this, then the meter, pencil, jar, and this is the most important thing, namely, the specific size. Okay friends, let's clean up the equipment first. These are the specific sizes, and we will make this culottes pattern in size large. First, we outline a rectangular box, taking the measurement of half the circumference of the front of the thigh, which is 32.5 centimeters for the width, like this.
Baik sahabat, langkah pertama, kita buat kotak persegi panjang, kita mengambil ukuran dari setengah lingkar paha depan.
And for the length we take the length of the trousers, which is 94 centimeters, and we make a rectangular box like this.
Untuk panjangnya, kita ambil dari ukuran panjang celana, yaitu 94 cm.
Next, we make a waistline at 4 centimeters, according to the height of the waistband.
Ini garis pinggang.
Then, this is the hip line at 20 centimeters.
Ini garis pinggul.
Then the thigh line at 28 centimeters.
Ini garis paha.
And knee line at 54 centimeters.
Dan ini, garis lutut.
Then on this line, we divide by 2, and we draw a line, like this, then this is the middle line. Next, on the thigh line, go 4 centimeters, and we mark it, like this.
Pada garis paha, masuk 4 cm.
Then at the waistline, enter 5 centimeters.
Pada garis pinggang, masuk 5 cm.
And we draw a line, like this. Here it rises 7 centimeters from the thigh line.
Naik 7 cm dari garis paha.
And we draw a line, like this. Next, we create a dart fold line, like this. Here it fell 0.5 centimeters, while here it rose 0.5 centimeters. Next, we determine the width of 1/4 waist circumference, according to the size specifications, namely 20 centimeters, plus 3 cm for the dart folds, and plus 1.5 cm for models that use elastic on the sides of the waist.
Untuk lebar pinggang, 20 cm, ditambah 3 cm kupnat, ditambah 1,5 cm untuk model yang pakai karet pinggang di bagian pinggir.
Then we draw a line, like this, and we thicken the line at the front crotch. Next, we make a line on the outside, and we thicken the line on the inside and at the bottom of the legs. Then we make a seam line of 1 cm and 3 cm for the leg holes. Next we cut the front crotch, and we discard this. Then here, and here. And now we can see the complete front pattern. Let's move it here, and let's zoom in. Next, on the front thigh line we measure 7 cm, then we mark it, then we measure 4 cm on the knee line and lower leg line. Here, we shift 0.5 cm, and we draw a line, like this. Okay friend, this is the width of the back of the thigh, and we will mark it in the middle. And this, the width of the back knee, and we also mark it in the middle. These two signs are very important, as a benchmark for finding the back crotch line.
Dua tanda tersebut sangat penting adanya, sebagai patokan menemukan garis selangkang belakang.
And now, we know the position of the back crotch line.
Sekarang kita ketahui posisi garis selangkang belakang.
And then we measure up 3.5 cm from the front waistline. Then on the waistline on the outside, we make a line like this. And now, we determine the width of the back waist, according to the size specifications, namely 20 cm plus 2 cm for the dart fold, then the size will be 22 centimeters. And from here, we outline the outer side of the top, like this. Turning to the hips, on the front hips we find 25.75 cm minus 1 cm dart fold, then the result is 24.75 cm.
Pada pinggul depan, kita dapati 25,75 cm, dikurangi 1 cm lipatan kupnat, maka hasilnya 24,75 cm.
We move the meter to half the hip circumference, according to the size specifications, namely 53 cm.
Kita geser meterannya, hingga ke posisi setengah lingkar pinggul.
And we mark it here. Next, we create a back crotch line like this. Then we mark this part, using an awl or needle. And we write here as front pattern. For the time being, we lower this front pattern. In this part, we connect the lines, and in this part. Switch to the back waist, here we make a straight line, and we make a line at the fold of the arrow. Next we create a trailing line, like this. And continue to the process of cutting out the pattern. And here we write it as back pattern. In the next process, we make a waistband with a length of 94 cm, which is based on a waist circumference of 80 cm, plus 6 cm, and plus seams on both sides.
Untuk pola ban pinggang, panjangnya 94 cm, yaitu berdasarkan lingkar pinggang 80 cm ditambah 6 cm, dan ditambah kampuh di kedua sisi.
And here 11 centimeters. Here we measure 8 cm, and we draw a line, like this. The next process, we make a pattern for the front pocket layer, like this. Then, we make a fly piece. And finally, we make the zipper fly. Okay friends, that's it. How to make a pattern for women's culottes. I hope you can understand, and I hope it's useful. Thank you for watching until the end, and thank you also to all friends who have subscribed to this channel. I hope you are always healthy, and your prosperity will be blessed. Amen. Thank you. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.
Baik sahabat, demikian cara membuat pola celana kulot wanita. Semoga bisa dipahami dan semoga bermanfaat. Terima kasih telah menonton sampai selesai, dan terima kasih juga kepada semua sahabat yang sudah subscribe di channel ini. Semoga sehat selalu dan dilancarkan rizkinya. Amin ya robbal alamin. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.